Hello decorators, welcome to our next video. Today I'm going to show you on how to make your Amazon garland to look professional. But first, let's start with a regular Amazon kit. This is what I ordered on Amazon, and let's see what they got us. We got this bag, let's unpack it. So the colors are not quite the same as they sell on a picture. And the smell of those Chinese balloons. You know how they say in the cooking videos, it's like, I wish you guys could smell it through the video so you know what you order. So now let's see what we got here. We have some 18-inch balloons in two colors. We got 9-inch balloons in colors of gray, a sand, and green. We got them in 5 inches as well, and we got yellow gold in the 5-inch. So let me just organize this really quick, and then we'll get to the inflation part. So they claim it to be 154 pieces, and this kit was $15. So how they typically sell those Amazon kits, they want you to inflate every single balloon, tie every single balloon, and then thread it in their terrible balloon strip that has holes in it. Balloons never stay in, they like typically fall out, so we're not gonna use this. Instead, I'm going to use the neck tying technique. This will help you to keep your garland kind of all together and look a little bit more professional, and you also don't need any extra materials. Now, let's inflate our babies. And these are our base colors. So here we have our sand color. We have green. And then we have gray. Why gray? There's no gray in the picture, but gray. Let's finish inflating all of these 9-inch balloons. Then we'll do the 5-inch quads, and we'll finish it off with our 18-inch jumbo, I would say. Let's do it. Now I'm going to take my clusters of 10-inch balloons and we'll simply tie them to each other, mixing colors. I will do so adding a new cluster to the previous cluster to kind of extend my garland. Because I have the majority of the green balloons, I'm going to do 2 of the balloon clusters in green color and 1 in gray and sand. So that's pretty much our base garland. As you can see, it goes pretty structured because we used all of the same size balloons in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that right here on my hooks, and I'm going to fluff it up with the leftover clusters and jumbo balloons that I have left. Now, using the same technique, neck tying, I'm going to tie my loose clusters to my garland. All right, it's already looking a little bit better. So I have these two loose clusters left. I'm just going to join them and extend like a little bit on the bottom of my garland. Now I'm going to add my bigger balloons. I can't really call them jumbo, they're not quite jumbo. And as a last step, we are going to add our 5-inch clusters. Same way, tying the necks. Some of the warriors didn't make it to the end, so we're just gonna pop this one and attach this 3-balloon cluster. The last step to add our accent balloons, and for that we have our gold 5-inch clusters. So now this is the result. This is something you can create in the comfort of your home with the Amazon kit, just using some of the techniques that professional decorators do. But obviously this is not what the picture is selling you. So let's see what we can do to make this look more like this. And this is how. Now let's make this Amazon garland look good. For that, I'm going to use 2 of those kits. But I will also double stuff these balloons to make them even more pretty. I double stuff these balloons. I have black inside of the sand and green color, and I put this gray color inside of the white. Now let's inflate them and see what they look like. And here you go, you guys. These are my double stuffed colors. Here I have sand color with the black inside. Then we have white over the gray. And then we have black inside of the green. Let's inflate the rest of them. And this is what our 2 bags of the Amazon kit look like when they're double stuffed and inflated. Now, I'm going to try to recreate that main picture that this vendor is trying to sell on Amazon. For that, we are going to need the base. Like this one. Now, I'm going to take my clusters and I will start attaching them to this hoop. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I join my jumbo balloon to some of the clusters that I have, matching colors, of course. So I'm just gonna tie them in. Like so, and that gives me a more dimensional cluster. Now let's put my clusters on a hoop. Okay guys, my fingers are nearly bleeding from working with these balloons, but we have one final step that we'll have to take, which is adding our baby fillers to complete the look. Let's do this. This is the result. It took us 2 kits in order to create that, but we also double stuffed the balloons to give them a lot more expensive look. Also remember that it takes you a lot longer to put this thing together because it takes time to double stuff the balloons and it takes longer to inflate them and to work with them to begin with. If you are looking to bring just a little bit of the color to your celebration in your house, Amazon kits would work just fine. But if you love working with balloons and you have a huge passion to that, and you want to monetize this talent, then make sure that you check out our Balloon Biz Masterclass. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out the future videos, and I will see you in the next one.